Hi, this is Jason with Summer Camp Systems. Today we're going to discuss creating an online payment order for individuals attending camp using Authorize.net. I have already logged into the application as a unit leader and I have registered for courses. The camp staff has defined pricing in the system, so I can click on the Calculate Balance and make a payment link to go to the Process Payments by Person screen. On the balance screen, I can review who has an outstanding balance as well as what payments have been applied to each person registered for courses. I can also see the camp and course fees that have been applied. Camp fees are the fees for attending camp. Course fees are the additional fees collected for certain activities at camp. Other fees are manually applied fees or surcharges. As a unit leader, payments are normally collected from parents. Unit leaders can use this tool to track who is paid and record the payments in the system. In addition, online payments can be used to pay via credit card or debit card without physically having to go to the camp service center. I'll go ahead and put in some payments, like I've received some payments from parents. And then I'll choose the payment method of online. In this example, the application displays a message that a surcharge will be applied for credit card fees. The camp staff makes a decision if credit card charges will be passed on to the end user. Now I will click the Process Payment button and I'll be taken to the Process Order screen. From this page, I can remove individuals if I made a mistake, or I could cancel the entire order. But in this case, we're just going to click the Complete Order button. Once I do that, I actually punch out directly to Authorize.net's secure server. In this example, I'll go ahead and enter a test credit card number, and I'll put in expiration date, name, address, Now I'll copy this to the shipping information, and now I'm ready to click the Pay Now button. Once I click that button, my credit card will be charged for $515.10. So I'll go ahead and click that, and now I'll see a confirmation page. This can be printed for your records, or you can just wait for the email. At the top of the page, you will see a link to finalize the order in the SCS application. Since the credit card was successfully charged, clicking this link will automatically post your order. So now I'm back in the application and I receive a confirmation message that my order has been successfully processed. If I go back to the dashboard and I click on the Calculate Balance and Make a Payment link again, you will notice now that the payments have been posted and that the balances have been updated. As a reminder, you can head over to summercampsystems.com/docs to get the latest help information about the application. In this particular example, under Unit User and Processing Payments, you can see the steps we just went through, from calculating the balance and creating the order, to punching out to Authorize.net and paying via credit or debit card. Thanks, and have a good day.